So this standardized patient was much like the last one I did with the UTI case. This one was another gen med condition in which basically we relied mostly on history and a little bit of our physical examination to come to a diagnosis. So when it comes to the good things that I did, I felt like I asked appropriate questions. I could have asked a little more personal to get a better feel for the patient and a better diagnosis. It was kind of difficult as is. I feel like I came up with pretty good differentials for this case. Other than that, it was just a simple eval just like the other ones I've done before. When it came to the bad things, I could not get the thermometer film to go over without poking a hole in it 2 or 3 times before the patient just told me what their temperature was. So that was probably the worst thing that has happened during this eval. It's kind of embarrassing. But all in all, it was still a pretty good SP to do. When it comes to what I can learn from the other ones and how I can apply this in clinical practice, it gives me an idea of how to structure my gen med systematic evaluations. I've gotten down the musculoskeletal portion, but now when it comes to the gen med cases, it's a little different. There's other things you have to look for. There's a lot of other physical exams completely different than the musculoskeletal system. But with that being said, it was a great SP and I can learn a lot from it, and I have.